Wow, yung chicken nila is so juicy.
Green Thai chicken curry.
Thank you po.
Do you like Thai food?
In
In Lime and Basil. Thai restaurant. So
Go
let's
check it
get in
out.
and check it out.
It's huge. Ah, so it's open. Nice. Edible garden. Nice. Chives. It's holy. Ano? Buto. I think it's chili. Hindi pa ready yan yung black. Nice.
Private area.
Yeah. Pwede siyang rentahan.
Then Lemon beach. It's so beautiful.
Ano yun?
What's up for that price? I mean,
Boiled and then fried.
tamarind.
Tamarind
nice.
sauce.
Tamarind sauce.
Tamarind sauce. Sarap. So flavorful. Complimentary prawn crackers with Thai dipping sauce.
Just a minute. Oh. Kasama po ito sa garlic. Kasama ko. Sige. Let's put the ingredient, basil. Okay, basil. Then, lime. I love lime.
Thank you.
Chicken pandang. So it's a chicken wrapped in pandang,
leaf, yes.
pandang leaf, and the chicken is fried. So, salamat po.
Jackfruit po kayo, ma'am.
Green Thai chicken curry. Kuya, medyo
A
spicy.
little bit spicy daw. Yes.
Sana hindi overly spicy.
Spicy?
Spicy. Masarap? Spicy.
Yeah. Ay, thank you. Let's do this. Oh, yung chicken nila is so juicy. I don't know if you can see it. And it's paired with the homemade sweet chili sauce. First, without sauce, para makikita.
Sarap niya.
Sarap.
Mukhang masarap talaga.
Nakaiba siya, parang a little bit sweet. Parang may parang barbecue flavor na sarap. So, sweet chili sauce.
Sweet chili.
Parang even without the sauce,
Masarap.
sarap. Caramel macchiato? I said, no, cafe macchiato. So, what they did, they brought me coffee and then nakahiwala yung milk. So, I just poured the milk on top and then made some...
You made your own
I made
creation.
my own creation. and voila! Cafe macchiato, ala Maru.